On this special occasion of this Doctors' Day, which is celebrated everywhere in the country in the memory of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai, the then physician as well as a politician and Chief Minister of West Bengal. This day is actually celebrated that the role of doctors in the society. Well, everyone knows that doctors have got a tremendous role in the society, and the society also understands that. But the expectation of the society from the doctors and expectation of doctors from the society is a very mutual one. It cannot be just that society expects everything from doctors and doctors will be doing all wonders. At the same time, doctors also expect a good amount of return from the society as well. The society should recognize doctors, society should recognize their contributions, the long hours of hard work that they put in, long years of study that they do. It's probably the only profession in amongst all the professions where somebody devotes long years in his or her life for gaining the knowledge and acquiring that technology and technique for service of mankind. In the present context, over the years, I am seeing that there is a gross deterioration in this mutual respect to each other. And probably I most of the time feel that this happens. One of the most important things is lack of communication on the part of doctors to the patients or their attenders. The second angle is attenders and patients now think that everything in medical science will do some magic, which is absolutely not a fact. Every science has got its own limitations, so also medical science. It's nothing magic. If today we will tell that this is done by laparoscopy, people think that some undoable thing can be done. There will be no complications. It is something like people want a guarantee from the doctors, and get sure that no qualified doctor can ever assure a guarantee for any kind of treatment. Doctors always try their best to give the best to their patients, but in spite of that, there are umpteen number of situations where things might go wrong in spite of best of efforts. So this, I think everyone should understand that this is a science, this has got its own limitation, and everything proceeds in a very systematic way, but even in spite of best of efforts by the doctors, sometimes they fail. So I urge the doctors community and particularly the younger generation of doctors, those are coming in, they should know one thing, that what is best is to stay humble and communicate well to the patients and their attenders. We must be very transparent in our dealings. We need to be very evidence based in our practice, and we must make everything clear so that people do not have some iota of confusion in their mind that medical science, the expectation, the undue expectation that they have from the medical science, they should not carry this. So on this auspicious day, my best wishes to the medical fraternity, to the society as well. Let's have a very happy and healthy well-being of the society, and I will urge the society to recognize the effort of doctors at every stage of life.